Have you ever wondered what it takes to build a successful career in the cutting-edge world of orthopedic implants? This video dives into the exciting field, exploring different career paths, essential skills, and the unique challenges and rewards that come with shaping lives through innovative medical technology. Welcome to Ortho Implants for Life, your one-stop channel for all orthopedic-related news and updates. And today's topic we discuss is building your career in orthopedic implants in 2025 and beyond. So let's start. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and career exploration purposes only. Always consult educational institutions and professionals before making career decisions. What are orthopedic implants? Orthopedic implants are medical devices, like joint replacements, bone plates, screws, and spinal cages, designed to support or replace damaged bones and joints. Made from materials such as titanium, cobalt chrome, ceramic, or advanced polymers, they act as structural supports that help the body heal and move better. With modern innovations like 3D printed patient-specific implants and smart biocompatible materials, this field is more dynamic than ever. Career paths in orthopedic implants. So, where can your career in orthopedic implants take you if you're not a surgeon? Let's explore R&D and biomedical roles. Work as an OT assistant, bioengineer, or material scientist developing smarter implants or testing biomechanics. In India, innovation hubs like IIT Bombay's BTech are driving frugal medical device innovation. Companies like Stryker, Zimmer Biomet, and Dupuy lead in implant development. They are hiring talent with mechanical, biomedical, and materials engineering backgrounds. Manufacturing and production. Roles include technicians in clean rooms, quality control inspectors, and production engineers. Emerging tech like additive manufacturing, 3D printing is reshaping this space. Skilled technologists who bridge traditional machining with digital workflows are in high demand. Salaries for OT assistants and scrub technicians in India range from 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs per year, with growth potential as skills expand. Sales, marketing, and clinical support. Product assistants, also called medtech or scrub technicians, play a critical role in surgeries, managing instruments, guiding implant systems, and troubleshooting intra-operative issues. Though not medical staff, they bridge between surgeon and device systems. Marketing Lazais Princeton Langers in year. Sales and marketing roles include territory managers, clinical trainers, and product specialists who explain implant features, train hospitals, and grow market reach. These roles demand excellent communication and technical acumen. Essential skills and qualifications. To thrive in an orthopedic implant career, you'll want these core skills. Solid foundation in STEM subjects: biology, chemistry, material science, engineering. Analytical and problem-solving ability. Understand how implant mechanics and patient anatomy intersect. Communication skills. Explain complex device details to surgeons, OT staff, or buyers. Technical competence. Understanding sterilization protocols, fixture systems, surgical trays, and even robotics or navigation if you support advanced surgeries. These skills are especially valued in India, where innovation hubs and medical device R&D are growing rapidly. Rewards of a career in orthopedic implants. What makes this field rewarding? Impact. You contribute indirectly to patient mobility, helping someone walk again or reduce pain. Innovation. Be part of breakthroughs like AI-assisted implant planning, smart sensors, or new biomaterials like biodegradable alloys. Growth. As India's domestic orthopedic implant market grows, projected from $2.5 billion in 2024 to over $8 billion by 2035, you'll find expanding job opportunities across manufacturing, sales, and clinical support. Challenges and how to overcome them. It's not without challenges. Keeping up with rapid tech, continuous learning via workshops, certifications, or hackathons, like those run by BTech, is essential. Ethical responsibility. You handle medical devices, so compliance with safety standards and patient welfare is non-negotiable. Competition. The industry is competitive. Gaining domain expertise like robotic workflows, quality systems, or regulatory knowledge gives you an edge. Computer-aided manufacturing and biocompatible materials expertise are in growing demand. Whether you're starting as an OT assistant, stepping into sales, or moving into R&D, orthopedic implants offer a career path where science, innovation, and patient care intersect. With strong STEM skills, continuous learning, and a passion for technology, you can build a dynamic career shaping the future of medicine.
If you have enjoyed the video, like it, share it, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe it. Hit the bell icon to get notifications for all our upcoming videos. Join us to excel in this orthopedic implant industry and to know more about the job and career growth which is available in this industry. Thank you. See you again next week.